Welcome back. I'm Tunde, and this is Module 2 of your O-Range Digital Literacy course.
In the last lesson, we talked about what a computer is, the different types of digital devices, and the key parts inside every one of them.
Today, we're going one step further. We're talking about the operating system.
What it is, how to move around it, and why it matters for your safety online. Let's go.
The moment you press that power button and your screen lights up, what you're seeing is your operating system, also called your OS.
Think of it as the manager of your computer. It controls everything. The apps you open, the files you save, the internet you browse.
Nothing happens on your device without the OS giving the go-ahead. The most common ones you'll come across are: Windows is used on most laptops and desktop computers. macOS is used on Apple MacBooks. Android is on most smartphones. iOS is on iPhones and iPads.
They all look different, but they all do the same job. They run your device.
Now let's talk about navigation, how to actually move around your OS without feeling lost.
Every operating system has a desktop. That's the first screen you see after your device starts up.
Think of it as your workspace. Your files, folders, and shortcuts live here. Then you have the taskbar or menu bar, usually at the bottom or top of your screen.
This is where you launch apps, check the time, and manage your settings. You'll also find the Start menu on Windows,
or the app drawer on Android. This is where all your installed programs and apps are listed.
And finally, the File Manager. This is where all your documents, photos, downloads, and folders are stored and organized.
On Windows, it's called File Explorer. On Mac, it's called Finder. Learn these 4 things and you can navigate any device confidently.
One more thing I want you to pay attention to: your settings.
Your settings control everything about how your device behaves. Your display, your privacy, your network connections, your passwords.
It's one of the most important areas of your OS.
And please, don't ignore your system updates. I know the notifications can be annoying,
but those updates exist for a reason. Most of the time, they are patching security holes that hackers are already trying to exploit.
An outdated OS is an open door. Keep it updated, keep it protected.
Here's the O-Range angle. Most people get hacked not because they did something complicated wrong, but because they didn't know their own device. They clicked the wrong thing, gave access to the wrong app, or ignored an update for months. When you understand your OS, you notice things. When something looks off, when an app is asking for permissions it shouldn't need. That awareness is your first line of defense. So remember, learn your desktop, your taskbar, your file manager, and your settings.
And never skip your updates. An outdated OS is an open door.
In Module 3, we'll be covering email and online communication, and that's where things get really interesting. See you there. Until next time, stay sharp.